Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine. As you remember that in our last class we did the poem The Cow, and today we are going to do the book exercise of that lesson. The first exercise is about the comprehension, the question answers of the lesson. Students, I have selected only 3 questions out of these 7. Okay. The first question is, why does the poet love the cow? And the answer is, the poet loves the cow because she is friendly and gives him cream. Question number 2 is, where does the cow wander? And answer is, the cow wanders here and there in the open air. Question number 3 is, what does the cow do in the field? And answer is, the cow walks among the grass and eats the flowers. This is all about the comprehension part of the poem, The Cow. Please open your lessons back, this exercise. Students, keep your pencils in your hands and do solve this exercise right with me. This is about pairing. They said there is something wrong here. Can you write the pairs correctly? They have given you words like write, collect, receive, pass, play, show. And on the opposite sides, there are also some words. They want you to make them pair. How to make them pair? By joining them. If they make sense, then only we will make pair. For example, the first one is write a letter. Collect stamps. Receive a present. Pass a test. Play a joke. Show your feelings. You see that we could have done this exercise by the help of the words which were making sense with each other, right? They were making sense, that is why they were paired. Please turn your pages and see there is another exercise about nouns and adjectives. Students, we are already familiar with nouns. You remember that nouns, all the naming things are nouns. The things around us which were having some names, either they are the names of people or the names of places or the names of things, they all are nouns. The question is, what are the adjectives then? Students, adjectives are the things that describes noun. Here is the definition of adjective. You are going to write this definition on your notebooks as well. An adjective is a word that describes noun. For example, beautiful, lazy, sad, poor, and rich. For example, if I will say a beautiful girl. So what beautiful is doing here? Beautiful is describing the girl. And what is girl? Girl is our noun. So beautiful is telling us about noun. Similarly, if I will say lazy boy. So what is boy here? Boy is our noun. So what lazy is telling about noun? Lazy is telling the quality of noun, describing that noun. Understood? Similarly, if I will say a rich woman. So what is woman? Woman is our noun. And what rich is doing here? Rich is adjective which is telling and describing more about noun. I hope you have understood the examples as well. So let's go back to the book exercise and find out what to do. Here they said, read these words. They are nouns and they are adjectives. They said match each noun with the suitable adjective and use them in sentences of your own. So our first activity is, in first step, what we are going to do, we will join them together. We will join nouns with adjectives. So the adjective is fierce, and we are going to join it with tiger. Do it with me. Fierce, tiger. Poor, poor man. Shady, shady tree. Comfortable, comfortable chair. You see, they both were having sense with each other, right? So that is why we paired them in such a way that they were talking about each other. So now we are going to make sentences of them. The first sentence is poor man. For instance, I have seen a poor man on the road, standing on the road, right? Similarly, the second sentence is about comfortable chair. Grandmother is sitting on a comfortable chair. Third sentence is about shady tree. My sister is playing under a shady tree, right? And the last sentence is about fierce tiger. I have heard the roar of fierce tiger. Okay, students, these sentences were for instance. For example, they were just for instance. But I want you to make your own sentences by yourself, right? This is your homework as well. Students, you are going to write the question answers on your notebooks, and then you will write the definition of adjective on your notebook, and your homework is to write these 4 sentences by your own self. Okay? I hope you have understood, and you will do this match on the book. Okay, keep this work as well as this exercise. Keep this on your book. No need to rewrite on your notebooks. Inshallah, with the other activities of the same lesson, we will meet tomorrow. Till then, stay blessed.